Now, let's touch on something that is always on people's minds.
Right, Naeem. You know, I'm guilty of this, but everyone thinks that they can afford a car until that first service hits, right? So that is why we set the maintenance cost for our car right from the start, giving you confidence to service your EMAS 7 PHEV at any of our growing 3S EMAS dealerships. Our dedicated hybrid engine only kicks in when needed, allowing us to reduce the number of service intervals, translating into ringgits to make sense.
Good one, David. To put into context, over 10 years, you only need to pay 7,800 ringgit to service your Proton E.MAS 7 PHEV. Our nearest competitors, our nearest competitors demand twice as much, approximately 15,000 ringgit. When you work out the differences, you realize it's not just how much you save, but how much more you can get out of life.